So you just do it because I was saying who say a bonny. You are just doing it because situation now presenting on home. If it's about money, then stop. But who they say sika echo anytime. And the way to me echo. Now the panels were no attack was so what will you do?
Say about trending stories on social media, NBTV. So we new one, but more they say subscribe, but not turn on notification bell. Said the day a new uploads won't submit to me. I can know I no like or shall leave your comment as well here on NBTV. Metna say ya. Now him say what's trending on social media. No come on and ye dis. Met me aka na makan ye dia na ye on the hoa. Nana Bema Spiritual and Herbal Center. Bema wayemre untimi nipche wosi sagum say basa mo amuti abruchi na mokoti mo ayemre no yesre mo a bomoden nana bema on the hwa we nya fe na wonom na akwakoye na otwe ana se 1 week ana 5 hours no wonom ya na se watimi abo adwuma abrese mu no medi mu komo bebre so ede achro onim say dating a married man enye adepa or probably dating a married woman is not a good thing. A Ghanaian lady by name Dufie is a former student of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Kumasi. Is a proud side chick. Take a listen.
See, as I said, it's not only about money, it's about the love. If I love the person, so how do I know? I mean, we all believe in Yankopon. No, Dema okay, kindness, man. Maybe I mean, it's my destiny to marry somebody's husband, and I say be a second wife. Now I reject this opportunity. Then I'm a beer. What will I do?
In Comodina course, so Abra one in Zion Felix, a din como say one on a dear, a choice. One can say Obianco date a married man or a woman.
Dating a married man, how is it like?
It's a nice experience. Me, I wouldn't condemn it. I wouldn't I wouldn't spoil somebody's business.
A business.
Yeah, I mean, and then one new situation everyone will be dating somebody's husband, because and you'll be a say you would get someone of like like for yourself, you get someone for yourself. Give you all the love, give you all the attention. But one new situation, quarantine man, nipano, echo dating obi aware, and I know decided say me no be aware be chimp na.
Na ono no kan ye no osa kan si so say one na dating married man. So found as a married man, who as a man, who ni kwan so for bia as a man to no so. We are the last stop.
Will you allow your husband to marry somebody else?
No.
Why?
Make me at our so, but obin to me Thomas so.
Why?
Maybe I'm selfish. Obin to me Thomas so. That's fine.
That's last.
But me kotoswa, me de meet me out so, but me toswa, that's it. When you say waka, you're stuck with me.
On the kind. So far as a married man, and now say one on a dear, or bet me out to be so. But on no timi ntono so. It's answer on no fawa last stop. Adie nya odia. Uku wia na wadi bi keke. Nti obi bi so ba beton so epe bi adidi a. O se laila. Enkomo no gwa. Me pesa obegye bre na wati ni nyina e wa asopemu. But me busa say, is it nice? So ba nyame abo se wo seso. So obefa obi kunu. Na one natna enye obi aware na wo say ni anase enye obi fie ana wo tete ni wasa kansi so pi say wo date a married man eni kwan say wo side chick no wo ne oba na ote aware ase no eye ne kikau awasa wo krokro no ono ne de wo ye proud side chick sister in crime or can some way because we a married man or dating and you don't know koto na warriors no or say something in crime.
What happens to the first wife?
The first, we are cool. Sisters in crime.
If I'm making my opinion here, one way or the other, I see it as something doesn't make sense. Who say will be fear, do fear. Adia we enye peodie. Dating a married man will result you in so many things. So ya mo dia, you be free as the goose. Munya nkwasi asem na moye no. Pe be man ne wow ne betina. Dating a married man or a married man or a woman is not a good thing. Pe wow de ne ntina. Se wo waka se wo de obetimi ato obi so bo obi ntimi nto so dia. Ka hunu said nipa na ono akwakoto no so no wo say di fie jai jimi no. Obi a wako university de nka wadwumu abi wo nim nyansa. Ada na wo say wo bi fie sa. What the no me eba wa bra boni wo fie. Is it because of money, luxurious, or what? Don't be a proud side chick. One here at the Haunia Mania and at the Bebro. Take a listen to the full conversation by this proud side chick by name, Kofi. Yeah,
I wouldn't really understand relationship. They just see it as like a game. They take it. But Obia, you know, this is somebody's daughter. And you can't say me any say, and you can't say me. And as much as and also they know disadvantages ever because nipa no obe expose you to niema bebre, you get enough money, obema like all the beautiful things in this world. And then also be we no. It was a baby no be ma was kakra na who ne say sir, this person would have given me more, and then you will still go back.
I don't know when you're young guy Biana.
So I keep telling my mom that me worry obi a oye older than me because of that experience. Someone who is like 10 years older than me. Okay. Yeah, 10 years, 12 years.
What was the age difference?
No, maybe 15.
15. Okay. So you were like how many years then?
Oh, Zion. I don't want to go into details, but he was 15 years older than me. Okay. Like 15, 16. Yeah.
So, I mean, given the chance, will you do it again?
I will, if I like the person. If I like the person. See, as I said, it's not only about money, it's about the love. If I love the person, so how will I know? I mean, we all believe in Yankopon. No, Dema okay, kindness, man. Maybe I mean, it's my destiny to marry somebody's husband, and I say be a second wife. Now I reject this opportunity. Then I'm a be. What will I do? So I don't condemn it. Obita so that is fine.
Whilst with him there, I don't know whether it's over or not because have you thought about the wife and the family? And I said, did you think about the wife and the family if it has ended?
So if you are somebody's husband and you want to be in another relationship with another lady, me, I would always advise, or I would advise you that be in a very good relationship with your wife. Because me who say, also you like me, but you're basa. It means say, but you no so you do the same thing to me. And see, treat your wife the same way you would probably treat me, because I feel open. This is your campaign season. Into you are doing everything to make me happy. Do the same thing for your wife. Me who say no basa, I will leave the relationship for you.